Hey, welcome back. We are going to be talking about the reflection in these reflective glasses, and I'm laying out a value scale with quinacridone magenta, which is our first color that we're adding to this portrait. And I'm wearing these glasses on perfect, not to look super cool, which I'm sure I do, but and not to also show you how messy my desk is. But what I'm trying to do is get you to see this really high, this light right here, and how it creates like a blurry effect around it. Now, even though we are focusing on the subject matter in the reflective glasses, we are going to focus on the lighting at the very end. Anytime you create a portrait, always think about the bottom layer first. What's at the very bottom? And that could even be like, how is the light affecting this? Where is the shadow underneath the hair? Where's the shadow underneath the eyebrow? Everything. And then the top layer would be details, like the actual hair, eyelash, pore, freckle, hair, and what am I getting at? I feel like I kind of lost track. But anyhow, so what we're doing at the moment is we focused on the subject first, adding in the darkest value. So we have the information that he is DJing. Now, there is another complexity to this piece, and that is that sunglasses are usually rounded, but we didn't really focus on it appearing rounded. The only way that we did that is to mimic that there's some like highlight in a specific part of it, and then another one that kind of wraps around it. So how you would do that is kind of focus where the main light is that is giving him the backlight. And you have to kind of think about this too. She is supposed to be in the audience, so there's going to be light reflecting off the glasses that are not only coming from the stage, but that specific light that is backlighting him is shining directly on her, right? So that is supposed to add lighting effects to her directly. So when you're kind of thinking about these things in your portraits, it will make them more believable, even though this is a movie poster and there's really nothing believable about a lot of them, or most of them anyhow. Like, how many times are you like leaning back on a friend and looking at them and being like, how about that hot pretzel? It was so good. You know, like, movie posters are not supposed to be like super believable, but there should be an element of believability, so that when someone looks at that, they're not like confused about what is going on. They should be more interested about what story you're trying to tell. And sometimes when our work is not good, the audience will focus on the work not being good. So we don't want that to happen. We want the audience to say, ooh, I really want to see that movie. It looks interesting. It looks cool. It looks fun. Oh, is that a DJ in sunglasses? This is going to be a movie about Ibiza. Who knows? But so anyhow, like, asking the right questions about what needs to be in your portraits and what will make it believable enough, even though it's going to be stylized, will make it more of a successful piece of work. Okay, so that wasn't very long at all. I added my quinacridone magenta, and I just added in some light and dark values, and I can let you know that in the future we go more detailed with that one as well, and I'll get into the paintbrushes and how I'm actually painting that during those videos. Alrighty, I will see you in the next one.